Hey guys, within this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. So if you're actually using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store and download it from there. But if you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store, this blue button in the middle of my screen right there, and then go down to the search page on the bottom right, and at the top start typing in Facebook Messenger. And from there press the bottom right search button, and that's going to show a bunch of different listings. Scroll past the first advertisement and there we have the Messenger app right here in the top left. From there, on the right hand side of the listing, there is a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. Basically that means that we have downloaded Messenger on this account in the past, maybe not specifically this device, but maybe another iPad or a MacBook or whatever. If you've never downloaded Messenger on any device or on the App Store in the past, then you will have a button that says Get, G-E-T. Either way, press that and it will start downloading, and you can actually see the progress of the download by the blue ring going around the circle. So I'm going to wait for this to fully download and I'll be back in a second. And so from there, guys, I'm going to press the open button in the top right of the App Store. That's basically going to launch the Messenger app. Continue as myself, I'm going to press continue. And there we go, guys. We have access to the Messenger app on Facebook. So basically, if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you.